So we're going to look at this kit. This is a zone leveling kit for a 2-inch GM 1500 07 to 18. So let's look in the box. So upon looking at this kit, it comes with a very nice box with everything you need for this install. This fits late model GM 1500 trucks and SUVs, two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. This is a lower strut mount spacer kit. This fits between your strut and your lower control arm for a very easy install. There's no strut disassembly. This fits for larger 33-inch tires. And we'll start off with the strut spacers. This is actually what fits between your strut and your lower control arm. These are made out of thermoplastic synthetic resin for a very durable construction. These also come with your hardware packs to do the install and your instruction sheet to help you out through the way. These kits are designed to work with your factory suspension, to level the stance out front to back, to provide bigger tire clearances, and to retain your factory ride quality. And it also comes with Factory Protection Plus warranty. If you want to learn more about this kit, go to zoneoffroad.com and check out our new apparel line like this t-shirt and hat. And if you want to stay up to date, go to all of our social media platforms, and I'll catch you later.